Dash cam is very important for a car owner since by using dash cam you can track down any accidents that you might not know about. It can also help you park your car safely. On today's video we have listed some best dash cam in 2020. Nextbase 522GW. This dash cam is packed with 1440 pixel HD resolutions and wide-angle lens that can do a basic work on the top-spec 522GW model. There is also reactive 3-inch touchscreen at the back and an option to use the built-in Alexa. The videos from this dash cam can be shared through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Garmin Dash Cam 6W. This simple dash cam comes with a wide 180-degree viewing angle lens, so you can see in almost all angles from your car locations. This affordable dash cam can automatically record and save footage when a built-in G-sensor detects an accident. You can also operate this dash cam using voice commands with a little clunky system. Garmin Dash Cam Tandem. This compact dash cam features a clip-in magnetic mount and can be installed below the rear view mirror. There are two lengths of USB cable along with a cigarette lighter USB socket with two ports for charging your phone. However, if you want to use this dash cam to record any possible accident that might happen on your car, you might need to be professionally install the dash cam, so it is constantly recording. You can also control of the camera through Garmin Drive app, so you don't have to take the microSD card out of the camera. Kenwood DRV 830. This sleek DRV 830 might not be compatible with existing Kenwood head units as you need DRV 520 for that, but it has its own 3-inch full-color TFT display, which is good too. This dash cam can viewing 145 degrees angle with 1440 pixel footage that perfectly good in both day and low light conditions. This dash cam also has advanced driver assist system, including lane departure and front collisions warnings that are built into the system. This dash cam has a 2.19 megapixel Sony Exmor CMOS sensor and full HD recording. This dash cam is designed to be mounted just beneath the rear view mirror, so it only has a few small buttons and no external screen. This dash cam can be linked to a smartphone via its onboard Wi-Fi, so you can quickly access the videos with some additional settings and menu changes. It also has a super night vision feature that can boost low-light settings for improved image quality at night, and a neat time-lapse features that can be used as a CCTV camera.